one is just lagging.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Is he here? Who?
Did you die?
No, I'm at the map. Bro, how am I? Bro, bro, I just came out of nowhere. Bro, I just came out and nowhere. Oh shit. Is this a new block? What is that? Oh my god, it's 20, bro. It's why is there a purple and the yellow? Oh, green. Oh my god, the hell no. What is, bro? That is really. That is, guys. That is the one white thing is purple and the blue thing and the green thing are blue and red. Yo, I eat. Computer, oh my god. Oh my god, I don't want to do this. Ooh, I know this. Ah! Oh! Yossi! Oh, oh my skin. Oy! Oy! Tinabibin ako!
How's that?
Yo, I just got it! Tinabibin ako.
Wait lang.
Tinabibin ako dito.
Whoa! Nice! Let's go, legendary.
Yo. I got the legendary, bro.
You got the legendary?
Yeah.
Let me see nga.
Look, I look like...
Yo! How did you get it?
Bro, I always got 1,000 and I always get GOG. Also, this one is... Yo, what is... Yo. Bro, is this goggly? Is this goggly? Or in the treasure one is legendary and this one is... I think this one MONI is the goggly. Bro, I don't know what is it. I don't know why did I glitch out. Bro, I'm still here, bro. Oh my god. I need a call, please. But don't dare me. Pero.
Wait lang, don't.
Hide. Pero. Uy!
Wait.
Oh, where is the last one? I'm here. Yo, I'm hiding. So I don't want to get caught. Oh my god. Yo! Did you get it? Skip, bro, skip. Oh my god, there's only...
Ikaw.
Oh! I just skipped. And, oh my god, why? You're so lucky. But I'm not lucky, bro. Run, bro!
Almost fucking died.
Oh my god. Oh, fuck! Don't, please. Oi. Oh my god, fuck. Come on. Please, punta tayo doon. Para makakuha natin. Follow me, bro. Follow me. Dito. Uy, dito ako. Not good for you. Uy, mag-hide ka. Uy, baka hindi tayo mag-cut. Wait,
Wag mo takpan.
push mo yun.
Hindi ko makita.
Push mo yun, see. Para secret yun, secret. Yeah, it's a secret hack. Oh my god. This way. Yo, I need. Don't chase.
Be careful.
Hide.
Bro.
bro, we almost got caught.
We are...
I knew it! I knew it! I was going to hide! I know Yellow was there, bro. I know Yellow was there.
I didn't even get a single dash.
Oh,
There's the
you.
other three. Yun, nandito si Green. Be careful.
Uy, be careful ah. Uy,
Wait, don't go here.
bilis.
Let's go.
Oh shit, I almost fucking die, bro. I almost fucking die.
Eh, nandito si Blue. Go,
Hide,
go, go.
hide.
Dito, there's a secret place here.
Yeah, where?
Can you see this?
Where?
Here. Behind the waterfall. Oh,
I cannot see you.
I can't even see it here. I'm behind the waterfall.
Where? Saan? Saan ka na? Ano yan?
Parang later.
Boy, I got jump scare, bro.
Dito.
Yo! We just skip. Find the Lokies. Oh my, the girl is following me.
We have to survive this day. Maganda yung teammates natin pag magaling sila. Magaling yung
Where did you get caught?
No, I didn't.
Wala, may ito. Purple dito. Come on, dito. Andito siya.
Saan?
Follow me. Dito.
Oh my god. Stop. Oh, wait lang. That's wide. Ayun, ang talaga. Let's go.
Let's go. No, I got it.
Let's go.
You cannot get the two ones.
Because...
No, run. Bro, we're gonna win.
Nandito si Yellow.
Hello. Ay, malabot ako ng ka. Uy, sino yan? Oh, shit.
Ah!
I almost got sacrifice, bro.
Oh, I do. Thank you, Lucky Boy. What are you doing?
Follow me.
Let's look for another. We only need 3.
Yeah. 3 plus 3 equal ano yun.
Ah, the other Luckies.
Bro, I will sacrifice you.
Don't sacrifice yourself. I can handle.
Don't run, hide.
Tetes, ba ano bang ginagawa mo?
Uy, bilis mo.
Ay, sakit yung ano mo, tummy mo.
Ay, wala na siya. Ayun, andito si.
May isang Luckies dito, I found it.
Come on. Kita ko yung. Wala, dito siya. Wait, I hear something.
I'll sacrifice it. Be careful.
Uy, I think I hear something.
There's the other Luckies. We just need 3 Luckies.
We just need 2 Luckies, bro. We need 2 Luckies. And to find the last one. I bug out the... Bro, don't get caught. Bro, I'm the one who sacrificed my fucking self. I almost died because I almost died from Yellow. Bro, I'm gonna... Yo! Someone got the last! Yo! It's the last one! Bro,
You got the last?
no! The girl! Sam! This one, Sam. She got it.
Saan ba? Baka
Where's
tayo
the-
siya.
No, she. Look at the number. You run. Hide. I think she's here. Bro. Yo, we finally got the last one. Run. Oh shit! Oh my god.
Nandiyan ba si Blue sa baba?
Baka! Uy! Uy, wag! Bro, don't fucking suffer yourself.
Wala ko na ba?
Yo! I'm so happy!
Let's go!
Yes!
Yes! Si ano na lang, si Milk na lang.
Opo, yung milk na lang. Uy!
Let's go.
Remember don't...
Ilan na tayo? 5 tayo na buhay na.
Uy,
Don't die, bro!
okay. Bro, why is
You have
my...
to be careful.
Yo, I got 100 plus 100 coins. I think sign is here. Yo.
Oh my god. Hey! Hey! Lucky, don't galaw.
Bro!
I even tried to sacrifice myself. Lucky, hide! Don't move. Huwag ka kasi mag-move. Lucky. Stop it. Pagpatay ka na, wala na.
Uy,
You will be able to get a second chance.
wait, mag...
Stop it. Tapos saan ba yung phone mo? Ano ba ang ito kasi, hindi
Ay,
mo kami ginawa.
Come on!
Alam mo, dami kami watch.
Punta ako dito sa Blue Castle. Whoa! Bro, I can't believe she was right there. Oh my god. But she was in there. She's in... Finished there. I cannot...
I got, like,
Bro.
I don't remember how many sugar packs I got. I thought it's milk, but it's sugar packs pala.
Bro, I thought it was sugar. I think...
Yeah,
Oh! The girl
I
got...
saw you.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Did you die?
No. I almost got done.
Don't do it.
I won't sacrifice myself, bro. Oh my god.
I literally hate you.
Yeah, I always
How many
hated
packs do you got?
one.
One lang? 1, 2.
Oh shit.
Kulang tayo ng isang pack. Ay, ayun.
What did you got? Ano?
Come on, let's go. We're complete. Come on, Lucky.
Yo, we're gonna...
Yeah! Ikaw na yung last. Nice! We're on
Yo!
survival. Let's go.
Yo!
Let's go.
Let's go, bro. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go, bro. Yo, we're gonna win. We're gonna win. Bro, I'm gonna take a seat, friend. I'm gonna
Yes.
get a seat. Yo,
Let's go.
let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Playing with my tita.
Ay, ano ba yan?
Bro.
You keep on crying there na.
Oh my.
You don't let me touch your phone.
That will lead you to... Oh my god, not it again!
You know how to do this, right?
Yeah.
How about you let me touch it?
Yo.
You follow the Luckies. Pag ganun sila, dapat ganun ka din para hindi ka matay. Okay? Dito tayo. So we can get the crystals.
Yo, the crystals!
Crystals.
Yo.
Nice.
Nauna tayo.
We're on the first one. Huwag ka ganun-ganun na. Pag ganun sila, na dapat na ganun ka din. Let's go!
Yo!
Go!
Yo. Bro, are we really gonna win? Bro. No. Oh shit.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. We survived.
Bro, we just survived. How, bro, how did we just survive, bro? Like, you just got through of them and we just win. Oh shit. Sayun! Hey!
Let's go.
Follow.
You have to follow this. Ganun mo, para na-watch mo ng maayos. Ipasin mo yung camera. Lava. Into the lava. Oh.
Do you know what is he talking about, bro? Yo, we're going to Blue's castle. Yeah. Baka. Yo, we almost died. Blue is green. Sorry, it's yellow.
Malapit na.
Ay, malapit na tayo matapos.
Last one.
Ay, kasi. Oh!
Then you woke up.
Yo! Our friends just survived!
Yeah, they survived. Sayang yung isa namatay siya. I thought Sam died.
Bro, I thought Sam just died.
Oh! Okay.
Yo!
Eh, matay kayo dyan.
Bro, we're not gonna die. Yeah. Bro, I just
Really? Yeah, you can post to the YouTube. Later we will You can post how to win on Rainbow Friends. Yeah, maybe post that on YouTube, right?
What? Bro, I just died like
You
many
can
times. Where's
Put
Blue?
on the caption, we
Where's
just
Blue?
won on
We're going
Rainbow
to be
Friends.
late.
We're going to be late. I think in chapter 3, they're gonna add like another monster.
Like brown and white.
I was hoping for Red. Kasi hindi pa natin na-try si Red, diba?
Oh boy,
And he's like the boss.
Yeah, she was. So she create all the.
Yeah, all the monsters are his friends. He's like the boss. And then si Blue is like his assistant or something.
Bro,
Like Blue is like capturing kids, and they're giving it to Red.
then and we and Blue got exercise to how to be fast.
And then Blue is like, oh, I'm so tired now. So his
So-
boss, I'm gonna take over now.
So I think
I think the most dangerous monster is Orange and Red. Orange is terrifying though.
yeah.
In chapter 1, di ba may fire siya?
Tapos
Wee.
tapos iyon.
Yeah, yung ganun. Yung parang fire.
Oo nga.
So scary. Pag one time I was hiding behind a locker, and then nakita niya pa rin ako. And I was very terrified. Nagtago ako agad sa box, buti na lang hindi niya ako nakain. Tapos hinahanap ka pa niya eh. Di ba natago ka sa locker, na ganun-ganun siya sa gilid ng locker. It was terrifying.
But it was terrified.
Yeah, I was really terrified.
But
He keeps on looking at you. And then, after a few minutes, he's like, Anna, I'm just gonna sleep on my room. And he goes back to his room. And then after a few minutes, he was like, wee. He's hunting for your friends. So scary.
when you touch the bell, Orange will actually wake.
What?
When you touch the bell, Orange will actually wake up.
Yeah.
Bro, that was so cool.
Wait lang, I'm gonna look for your damit.
Yo, Tita Bibi, we just ran, bro. We just ran.
But